If you like our videos, do subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button and do not forget to hit the bell icon too for all the regular updates. Hey guys, welcome to Shishu World. Weather has started getting colder again, and this is the time when most of us catch cough and cold during this changing weather. This is one kadha home remedy which my mother used to give us ever since we were young, and now even I make it for my child and for the whole family as well. This is very effective, and I have been using it for years, so I can assure you that it works really well. So let's see what all we are going to need for making 4 cups of kadha. This kadha can safely be given once or twice a day, and if you are suffering from cold and cough, then you can give it more than twice as well. So we are going to need a 1-inch piece of ginger, 10 to 12 black peppercorns, 5 to 6 cloves, 1 black cardamom, some tulsi leaves, honey or palm sugar also if you have, and some lemon juice. So we know that ginger soothes sore throat, it reduces inflammation. Cloves and cinnamon both help in fighting flu. They have antiviral, antibacterial, and analgesic properties. Black pepper and tulsi are well known immunity boosters. Black cardamom also helps in soothing throat and it reduces cold and cough. Lemon juice is very rich in vitamin C and it also reduces phlegm. Honey is well known for its antibacterial properties and it also soothes throat. So now, other than honey and lemon, we are taking everything into a mortar and pestle and we will crush them roughly so that all the juices and the essential oils which are there in the spices will come out. So nicely I have crushed everything together. If you want, you can also crush them one by one. But then we have to put them all together in the water. So you can crush them together as well. So to make 4 cups of kadha, we'll take about 8 cups of water because we have to really boil everything well and reduce the water to half. So the amount should be double what you want to make. So this is about 8 cups of water and I'm now adding the crushed spices. So ginger, cardamom, black cardamom, cloves, cinnamon, everything we have put here. Also the tulsi leaves. And now we will just let everything come to a boil, stir it once, and then we will bring it to a boil. And once it comes to a boil, we will reduce the heat and let it simmer till the water reduces to about half. So now here it has been reducing. You can see that the spices have left their color and flavor into the water. If you have tal misri or palm candy or even regular misri, you can add a few pieces directly in the water so that it dissolves along with the spices. Tal misri is very good for soothing throat and can even be given to kids to just suck at it just like any commercially available lozenge. Honey we should never put in hot water, like we should not cook it, so we will put in the end in case you're using honey like we're using here. So now the kadha is ready. It has reduced to half. Just filter out, strain the kadha. Here we have 1 cup. And to this, we will, for 1 cup, I will add about half a teaspoon of lemon juice. Just squeeze it. And about half a teaspoon in 1 cup of kadha. And 1 teaspoon of honey we can add here. Lemon juice and honey in itself is also a very good home remedy for younger kids. If you have used palm sugar, then you can avoid honey if you want. So here the kadha is absolutely ready. This can even be given to kids above 4 to 5 years old in small quantities, say 1 to 2 tablespoons at a time. It is very effective, and same decoction can be made and then you can make regular tea with it. So instead of adding lemon juice and honey, just make the spice decoction and then add your tea leaves and milk and make the tea, and that way also you can use it. It is very soothing for your throat, and it is also very helpful for tea lovers. It can be made and kept in a flask as well. The taste is very, very good, and so most people do not mind having this. So I do hope you enjoyed this recipe, and you will try it and use it during this weather. Thank you so much for watching our video, and if you enjoyed it, do not forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Bye bye, take care, see you soon.